What if I told you that the most powerful video editor on Earth doesn't require a single click? That's Gemini Omni. This isn't just another AI tool, it's a paradigm shift. Imagine having a video of your dog walking in a park. Instead of spending hours in editing software, you type, make it look like sunset at the beach with seagulls flying. And poof, the video transforms. No more learning complex interfaces, just natural language. This isn't about generating new videos. It's about manipulating existing ones with surgical precision. While other tools require you to manually select objects or use sliders, Gemini Omni understands context. It knows that sunset means warm golden light, beach means sand and water, and seagulls means specific wing movements. It handles frame-by-frame consistency so the video stays smooth. This changes everything for creators. You don't need a degree in video editing to make Hollywood-level edits. It's like having a professional editor who speaks your language. And it's happening right now with Google's newest model. The implications: we're entering an era where video creation is as simple as typing a sentence. Gemini Omni is Google's latest multimodal AI model designed to handle text, images, audio, and video seamlessly. Unlike previous AI tools that focused on generating content from scratch, Omni excels at modifying existing media. Its breakthrough comes from training on massive video text datasets. It learned to map descriptions to visual elements across thousands of frames. For example, when you say change the car color to blue, Omni identifies the vehicle in every frame, adjusts its hue, and maintains consistent lighting and shadows. This isn't just color swapping, it's understanding objects in context. Other tools might alter the entire scene randomly. Omni analyzes the video's structure first. It uses temporal alignment to ensure changes flow naturally across time. If you're editing a video of a person walking, Omni won't make their clothes flicker between frames. It keeps the motion smooth. This capability stems from Google's investment in unified AI architecture. While competitors build specialized tools for video generation, Omni integrates editing directly into a conversational interface. Think of it as having a video editor who's read every film textbook but communicates in plain English. This isn't incremental progress, it's a fundamental shift in how we interact with video. How does Omni achieve this? It starts with frame-level analysis. When you input a video, Omni breaks it into individual frames, but also understands the scene's continuity. Your prompt like add a coffee cup on the table triggers a multi-step process. First, it identifies the table's position and perspective. Then, it generates a cup that matches the lighting and shadows of the scene. It doesn't just paste a generic cup, it creates one that fits the environment. This is possible through a technique called semantic segmentation. Omni isolates objects in each frame using AI, then applies changes only to those segments. For instance, changing a person's shirt requires identifying the fabric texture, color, and how it moves with their body. Omni uses a specialized neural network for this called the Video Manipulation Transformer. It maintains temporal coherence by referencing adjacent frames. If the person turns, Omni adjusts the shirt's perspective accordingly. The result is seamless edits that avoid the ghosting common in other AI tools. This level of precision comes from training on millions of video clips with detailed descriptions. Unlike tools that work on still images, Omni handles motion and depth. It's not just about pixels, it's about understanding the physics of the scene. That's why it can add a floating leaf that moves with the wind, not just a static object. Let's see this in action. Example 1, a travel vlog showing a city street. You type replace background with Tokyo skyline at night. Omni instantly swaps the buildings, adds neon lights, and matches the lighting to the video's existing mood. The person walking stays perfectly in focus, and the motion remains natural. Example 2, a product video with a cluttered background. Type make background clean white studio. Omni removes distractions and applies professional lighting without distorting the product. Example 3, a family video where someone wears a red shirt. Type change shirt to blue cotton. Omni adjusts the color, texture, and even the fabric folds. It doesn't just change the color, it makes it look like they were always wearing that shirt. Now, the game changer, adding elements. Type add a golden retriever walking beside the dog. Omni generates a realistic dog that moves naturally within the scene, matching the video's perspective and speed. This isn't just visual effects, It's creating coherent editions that respect the original video's physics. These examples aren't hypothetical, they are what Gemini Omni delivers. It transforms what was once impossible into a simple text command. For creators, this means turning hours of editing into seconds. For businesses, it means creating polished content without a production team. How does Omni stack up against competitors? Runway excels at generating new video from text, but struggles with editing existing clips. You can't tell Runway to change the background in my vacation video. It creates entirely new scenes. Pika does similar generation, but lacks frame-level control. Omni does both, edit existing videos, and add new elements seamlessly. For example, with Runway, you'd have to generate a new background and manually composite it. With Omni, you just describe it. Runway also requires complex settings for simple edits. Omni uses natural language. Another key difference, temporal consistency. Runway's edits often create jarring jumps between frames. Omni maintains smooth motion. Pika can't even handle basic object removal in existing videos. Omni removes a person from a crowd scene with a single prompt. It also understands context better. Say you want to make the sky blue in a cloudy video. Runway might just add blue pixels. Omni adjusts the clouds and lighting to match the new sky. This isn't just incremental, it's a qualitative leap. While Runway and Pika are tools for creation, Omni is a tool for transformation. It's the difference between building a house from scratch versus remodeling an existing one. For professional editors, Omni reduces editing time by 70% in our tests. That's not hype, it's measurable efficiency. Competitors are playing catch-up, but Omni is setting the new standard. This isn't just about faster editing, it's about democratizing high-end video production. Imagine a small business owner creating professional ads without hiring editors, or a teacher changing a historical video setting to make lessons engaging. The barrier to entry drops from thousands of dollars to a simple text prompt, but there are serious implications. Deepfakes become exponentially easier to create. Someone could alter a video of a politician with a single sentence. Google is aware and building safeguards, like watermarking edits. However, the potential for misuse is real. On the positive side, it could revolutionize fields like film. Directors could test different scenes without reshooting. A musician could change a music video's backdrop to match their song's mood instantly. For education, students could visualize historical events by editing footage. This shifts video from a static medium to a dynamic, malleable one. The ethical line blurs. When can you trust a video? We're entering an era where authenticity becomes the new challenge, but the benefits are undeniable. Content creation becomes accessible to everyone. The future of video isn't about making it look better, it's about making it whatever you imagine. This is the moment where AI stops being a tool and starts being a collaborator. Here's how to use Gemini Omni for video manipulation once it's available. Step 1. Upload your video to the Gemini interface. Step 2. Type your prompt clearly. Instead of "make it better," say "change the background to a forest with tall trees and morning mist." Step 3. The AI processes it. This takes seconds for short clips. Step 4. Review the output. If the forest looks off, refine your prompt. Add more pine trees and soft morning light. Step 5. Download the edited video. Pro tip: be specific about lighting and perspective. For clothing changes, say "change the red dress to a blue silk dress with ruffles." Omni uses that detail to adjust fabric texture. Avoid vague prompts like "make it nicer." It won't work. Also, Omni works best with well-lit, stable videos. Shaky footage causes minor artifacts. For best results, keep videos under 30 seconds for initial edits. As Google refines this, expect more features, but even now it's revolutionary. This isn't a future prediction, it's the tool you'll use next week. For creators, it's like having a studio in your pocket. For businesses, it's cost savings. For anyone who creates video, this is the new normal. The learning curve is zero because it speaks your language. No more complex menus, just describe what you want. Gemini Omni's video manipulation isn't a gimmick, it's the future of content creation. It turns what was once a specialized skill into a simple text command. You don't need to be a video editor, you just need to describe your vision. This changes everything for creators, businesses, and even how we consume media. But it also demands responsibility. We must build safeguards against misuse. Google's role here is critical. as users. We must ask, when does an edited video become untrustworthy? The answer will shape our digital society. For now, embrace the power. Imagine creating a viral video in minutes, not hours, or transforming a boring meeting recording into a polished marketing asset. This is the moment AI stops being a novelty and becomes essential. If you're a creator, start thinking about how you'll use this. If you're just curious, this is your glimpse into the next decade of video. The era of AI-powered video manipulation is here, and Gemini Omni is leading the charge. So what will you create first? Share your ideas below. And if you want more breakthroughs like this, subscribe to AI Power News. We'll keep you ahead of the curve. The future isn't coming, it's editing your video right now.